Welcome to exercise number 5. Now, it's important for you to note that we're going to learn by doing rather than me giving you lectures on what is the stock market and that sort of thing. We're going to actually analyze data and learn about the stock market by doing these exercises. So please complete all the exercises if you can for the next couple sections at least, where we talk about the stock market and portfolio management. And it's important that you do these exercises so that you understand in more detail how to navigate and customize the portfolio dashboard, okay, which I provided you with, and we'll be talking a lot about, okay. And what I mean by that is on the portfolio dashboard, there's a lot of conditional formatting, which appears down here in question number 12 here, okay. So on the portfolio dashboard, there's a ton of stuff that we can analyze, but I really want you to understand not only how to make it by following these exercises with me in Excel, but also listening to me explaining the business concepts and logic behind a lot of the information that we're going to be analyzing. And in this exercise, we're going to talk a lot about the S&P 500. And the S&P 500 is an index of 500 stocks in the United States that represents the broader U.S. markets or U.S. economy, okay? And other countries have their own indexes. In Canada, it's the TSX. In Germany, it's the DAX. In France, it's the CAC 40 or the CAC 40. And then there's other indexes in other countries as well, okay? So we'll also talk about earnings here from a high-level perspective and the average company in the S&P 500, how much they make, what does price earnings mean. We'll analyze the data and look out for spikes and understand why we saw spikes in certain years, okay? And it's important to follow through on all these exercises, please, so that, again, when we make or customize our portfolio dashboard today in future lessons or in the future, whatever, you'll have a better understanding of stock market concepts. Again, we're going to learn by doing. So let's talk about what we're going to learn in this exercise. There are 12 questions in this exercise. It's a pretty long one. And I'm going to introduce you to a lot of stock market concepts in this lesson. And we're going to be analyzing data from the S&P 500. And then what we'll be doing is we will analyze the valuation of companies in the S&P 500. We'll also make a couple charts. I'll teach you how to format cells and do what's called conditional formatting, which is a lot of fun. It looks actually like this. I think you'll enjoy it. So please read the question first and try to come up with the answer yourself. If you need a hint, read this cell here. And if you need a lot more help in understanding the answer, you can actually click over here to watch a video explanation of the answer. Or what you can do is, after you finish this entire exercise, you can just skip on to the next lecture in the course where I'll discuss the answers to all of the questions. And there's a lot of stuff we're going to cover in these Excel exercises over the next couple of sections that will make a lot more sense when we look at the portfolio dashboard, which you can customize yourself. And as a reminder, the portfolio dashboard is called portfoliodashboard.xls. It's in Excel. And it's saved as a resource to download in the first section of this course. Again, a lot of this stuff will make more sense once we finish the next couple of sections in this course. There's just a ton of data that you can access in this portfolio dashboard, which I'd love for you to customize. Thank you.